It's gonna be something like that. See?
Welcome to Marcella Real Walk.
Welcome! This channel is all about teaching early education for small kids by helping you improve your skills in an easy and fun way. Hi! Hello, hello, hello! Remember to subscribe for more videos. Okay, what are we gonna do today, Marcelo? Today, we're going to do a Valentine's puppet, a heart puppet, because we're gonna celebrate Valentine's Day, right, Marcelo?
Yeah.
What do we need, Marcelo? We need a
This,
cup. We need a
this,
glue. We need 3 straw. We need a heart. We need a heart. Ready? I got a heart. That's gonna be the head. We need 2 arms.
2 arms.
We need 2 arms like this one. We need 2 arms. Maybe if you want, we need Marcelo, a heart.
And a head.
We need a bone here. And we need some wiggle eyes. We need some wiggle eyes. So it's time to start. First, what are you going to do? You're going to do a small hole here. Look. In the bottom of the cut. And then, wait, Marcelo, you're going to do 2 more here. One side and one side, okay? Okay, let's see. Wait, Marcelo, do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Marcelo is strong. Wow, very good. And now in the other side, wait. Yeah, very good. See, 1 and 2, and this one, 3. And now, you're going to put the straw together, okay? The 3 straw together. Oh, sorry, we need some tape. So we're going to paste the straw like this together. See?
Mommy.
What? You're gonna have the 3 together, and then you're going to look side. The other goes in the other side. And the green goes in the middle. And then look, it's gonna be like this. We have to decorate our heart. One here and another one here. Paste the eyes. We have another one here. Very good. Wonderful job. And we're going to paste also here the hat. Very good. Look, now paste the hat. Wow! And you can use a marker to draw the
Like a. I
mouth.
want a mantaga.
Oh, really? Look, you can draw the mouth. Yes. And now we're going to paste. We're going to paste the arms here, right, Marcelo?
Mommy, where is this?
Oh, we're gonna paste that. Yes, we're going to put a little bit of glue here. Paste one arm. Very good. And paste the other one here. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Look, it's gonna be something like that. See? Yes, those are the arms. And now we're gonna paste this one here. So we need more glue here, Marcelo. Paste the bone here. Here. Paste. Here. Oh, be careful. Paste. Here. Paste. Paste. Very good. See? Like that. And now we're going to paste the heart tape or with glue. Okay? And then your puppet is ready. Look. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. See? Whee! Hello. You have to wait because look, the glue is already wet. And then you can do it. Hello.